Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your assets around. Today, I'm walking you through how to withdraw XDC from Kraken to Binance. XDC is a popular cryptocurrency for smart contracts and decentralized apps, and with exchanges like Kraken and Binance leading the pack, this process is straightforward but requires attention to detail for security. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. If you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication. It's a must in 2025 with all the advanced security features out there. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Funding section. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Find XDC and click on it to proceed to the withdrawal page. Next, you'll need your Binance wallet address. Log into your Binance account in a new tab, go to your wallet, and copy the XDC deposit address. Double-check this. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive and one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back on Kraken, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XDC you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for any network fees, which might have changed by 2025 due to updates in blockchain tech. Before you hit confirm, review everything. The address, the amount, and any additional details like network selection if XDC supports multiple chains. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Keep an eye on that. The transfer time can vary, but with faster networks in 2025, it should take just a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, hop back to Binance and check your wallet. Your XDC should appear shortly. If it doesn't, don't panic. Check the Blockchain Explorer for the transaction status. Pro tip: always use reputable exchanges and keep your private keys safe to avoid scams. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn XDC from Kraken to Binance. This process keeps your crypto moving smoothly in the evolving 2025 landscape. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.